Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you Compustar newest remote, the T13. This remote is a 3-mile range LCD remote that also have a very nice feature. It's called the Proximity Unlock. Proximity Unlock basically means that when you approach your vehicle in a range of about 3 to 5 feet, the system will automatically unlock the doors. That feature you can see sometimes in the push-button vehicles. When you come and you just touch the door, if your car has a regular key, you get the same feature that will allow you to just get close to the car and the car will unlock for you. The T13 also comes accompanied with a smartphone device and a second remote, which is LED. The LED remote is the R5, has 2-mile range, and also gives you the two-way function, tells you that the car is started. So let's open the box and see what comes in the box. Okay, so we have another box on the bottom here. So the first thing we notice is our drone mobile. The drone mobile, this is a smartphone add-on. Basically, this allows you to connect your phone to your remote starter. So this system is not a remote starter. This unit is just a smartphone add-on that will be connected to a dedicated remote starter, Compustar remote starter that will work with the T13. Then we have the two-way LED, the R5. This remote has the two-way confirmation, which means when you start the vehicle, the remote will confirm the car started. You will have it on LED light. If you also have an alarm system, if the alarm gets triggered, you will have the confirmation showing on the remote. The next one is the Compustar T13 two-way LCD remote. This one is actually very sleek, very nice looking remote, very lightweight. You're barely gonna feel it. It's a waterproof remote, so you can actually put it in water, start the vehicle, the car will start, no problem. You get all the confirmations on the remote itself, tells you if the car started or not, tell you for how long the vehicle is running. It comes with a temperature sensor that you install, so you're going to have the internal temperature showing on the remote. And also, if you have an alarm system, it will give you all the alarm notification here. Door open, hood open, trunk open, everything else. As I mentioned before, these two remotes both have the proximity feature, so when you come close to your vehicle, it will unlock the doors before you even get to the car, about 5 feet away. The system both has rechargeable, so it's rechargeable battery in both cases. You don't have to replace the batteries, everything inside here. And let's see what we have in the box. So inside the box, we have a few things. Let's check. First, we have the antenna. This antenna is basically what the remote transmit to the antenna from here to the unit, and it's also going to read the proximity. We have the cable for the antenna. So this cable comes from the antenna to the remote starter. We also have the temperature sensor. So this one has to be plugged to the remote starter, so the system can read the temperature and show the temperature on the remote. We have the USB charger, so that will allow us to charge our remotes. So you just connect this one to a USB or to your computer and this side to the remote. And the last piece we have is the cable connection between the smartphone, the drone mobile device, to the remote starter. Also comes in the system, it also comes the book that will give you some features that the remote has. You can see them all on your, all in the book in here. This one comes for the mirror, so if you want to have hanging on the mirror. And this is a short explanation regarding the smartphone device. The Compustar T13 is available at Car Systems Installation. For more prices and products, you can always find us on our website, carsystemsinstallation.ca. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.